Ayan, Babo Kabalen, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Where in Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products to our Where in Pampanga community. For today's vlog, papasalamat po kami kay Sushi by Jace for sending us their products. Ayan. And what can you say about our new location today? Ayan. Anyway, so si Sushi by Jace ay meron po silang dalawang branch. One in Bocaue, Bulacan, and the other one naman is in Angeles City. So nasa Balibago po yan. We're gonna be providing the details below. And ito po, pinadalhan po nila tayo ng sushi platter. And then meron din tayong salmon baked sushi. And of course, meron din tayong mga poke bowls, which is for me, for the first time ko itong ma-encounter as Japanese food. Alright, so kanina pa ako talaga takam na takam dito. Tikman natin tong platter nila. And then later on, sabihin ko kung ano yung mga sushi na included dito. So meron tayong sashimi, of course. These are salmon. Whoa, look at that. Sa mga poke bowls naman nila, it's either yung pinaka-foundation natin are lettuce or yung green leaves natin. Then meron din naman tayong rice. So for me, I'm gonna go for this lettuce right here. Ayan. Mix everything up. So it has beans, carrots, onions, mango, cucumber, and of course yung mga sliced natin, tuna. Oh, meron pala siyang crab meat. So help me distinguish what kind of bean is this. Ayan, no? So, more sushi. Tikman pa natin to. Sarap nito. I like this one. It's a little bit crunchy. Now for the baked sushi, so pinadalhan nila tayo ng baked salmon. Here's an example. Ayan. Cheers. Now for this poke bowl, Japanese rice naman yung pinaka-base natin dito. So it has lemon. So squeeze natin muna siya dito. Nga pala, this is a salmon base naman yung kanyang meat. Now same with the other bowl, it has, beans. Ito hindi ko alam kung ano to. So, help me distinguish, guys. Parang gingery yung niya, yung flavor niya, or yung taste niya. So, let me just mix it all up. Oh yeah, Japanese rice. So, here are the included sushi dito sa platter natin. So, meron tayong California roll, creamy baked salmon roll, spicy tuna roll, sunrise roll, ebi tempura roll, premium tiger roll, premium sunset roll. Then, meron din naman tayong salmon sashimi, shrimp nigiri, tuna nigiri, and salmon nigiri. Guys, if you're to ask me kung ano yung nag-enjoy ako dito, syempre nag-enjoy ako dun sa mga sashimi natin. But all in all, if it's Japanese food, lagi naman akong nag-i-enjoy dyan. Alright, so again guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Papasalamat kami kay Sushi by Jace. Please support local businesses. Ito po yung mga restaurant na we don't need to go to Japan just to taste these kinds of food na galing dun sa mga bansa na yun. Guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and if you're craving for Japanese food, make sure to check out Sushi by Jace. Dito po sa Pampanga, and nasa Balibago lamang po sila. Thank you for watching Where in Pampanga. Until our next discovery, peace out. Bye guys!